What if I told you that making your first $100 online requires absolutely zero skills? Sounds crazy, right? But the truth is, thousands of ordinary people are secretly using AI to print money every single day. They don't have degrees, they don't have experience, and in this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that you can use to start your first online side hustle today. Welcome to the ZenVix, where we turn ideas into income. If you are tired of being broke, you are in the right place. Make sure you watch until the very end, because tool number 4 is an absolute game changer, and beginners are using it to easily make $500 a week. Let's get started. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. Forget just asking it simple questions. This tool can literally become your free virtual employee. You can write 1,000-word blog articles, YouTube scripts, or social media captions in less than 30 seconds. Go to freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and offer article writing services. Clients will pay you $20 to $50 per article. All you need to do is give ChatGPT the right prompt, copy the text, and get paid. Next up is Canva AI. If you think graphic design and image editing are too hard, this will completely change your mind. With Canva's new AI features, you can generate stunning social media posts, logos, and high-click YouTube thumbnails in minutes. Reach out to small YouTubers or local businesses on Instagram. Offer to redesign their thumbnails or edit their promo images. Charge just $10 per design. Do that 5 times a day, and that's an easy $50 in your pocket without opening Photoshop once. Third is Pictory AI. Video editing is one of the most in-demand skills right now, and this tool turns your plain text into professional videos automatically. You don't need to learn complex timeline editing. Just paste a script, and Pictory grabs stock footage, adds subtitles, and edits it all together. You can start a Faceless YouTube automation channel in niches like finance or motivation, or offer short-form video editing services to creators on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Fourth is ElevenLabs. And remember I said this one was my favorite? This tool creates ultra-realistic human voiceovers. You can completely master voice modulation without saying a single word. You can generate different accents, create unique character voices, and adjust the emotion of the audio. You can literally become a freelance voice artist. People on Upwork are paying top dollar for professional voiceovers for their commercials, audiobooks, and YouTube videos. Generate the audio in ElevenLabs, deliver it, and keep the cash. Finally, we have AI. This is where you can start landing high-ticket sales. This tool is specifically designed to write marketing content, like high-converting Facebook ads, email newsletters, and product descriptions. Businesses survive on sales, and they are willing to pay premium prices for good copywriting. You can approach e-commerce brands and charge them $500 to $1,000 a month to handle all their email marketing using AI. Listen, you no longer need money or special skills to start building an income online. You just need the right tools and the willingness to take action. Pick just one of these 5 tools today, master it, and get your first client. If you got value out of this video and want more proven ways to make money online, hit that subscribe button to join the ZenVix.